POL200 semi-automatic polarimeter, calibration, data storage, data transmission. 0-point calibration. Place an empty test tube into the sample chamber. Close the cover. Tap 0 button. Tap the left or right button to adjust the visual field until the uniform brightness appears. Tap Enter button to confirm. Now the meter is in measurement mode. Measure 4.877 sample tube. Place the tube into the sample chamber. The visual field appears the different brightness. Tap the left or right key to adjust the visual field until the uniform brightness appears. Observe visual field changes. The uniform visual field appears. And measurement. The value is 4,880. Measure 17.123 sample tube. Place the tube into the sample chamber. Tap the left or right button to adjust the visual field until the uniform brightness appears. The uniform visual field appears. And measurement. The value is 17,125. Tap Return button, back to 0-point calibration. The meter is in 0-point now. Tap Enter, you may calibrate 0-point again. Then Demo menu calibration, tap Setup. Tap Calibration. Screen shows Step 1, select the number of calibration points. 1 to 3 points calibration are optional. If 1-point calibration is selected, 0-point calibration is the only choice. If choose 2 or 3 points, the first calibration point must be 0 point. 2 points calibration as an example. Tap right key, choose 2, then tap Enter button. Screen shows Step 2, 0-point calibration. Place an empty test tube into the sample chamber. Adjust the visual field until the uniform brightness appears as the 4-exit 0-point calibration operation. Tap Enter. Screen shows Step 3, using the standard tube to calibrate the instrument. The instrument can also be calibrated by the sample tubes with known solution values. Here calibrate the second point by 4.877 standard tube, input 4,877. Place the standard tube into the sample chamber. Tap Enter. Because the instrument has finished the first point calibration, the visual field is very close to the uniform. Adjust the visual field until the uniform brightness appears by the left and right keys. Tap Enter, calibration completed. The instrument will automatically run to the optical 0-point. Take out the test tube. Close the light shield lid. The instrument is in measurement now. Place the tested sample tube into the sample chamber to measure. Adjust the visual field until the uniform brightness appears by the left and right keys. The uniform brightness appears. Measurement end. The value is 4,880. Take out the test tube. Tap Enter to the data saving interface. Input the sample name. After input is completed, tap Enter button. Tap Data key to view saved data. Now send the saved data to PC. Double-click the icon to open the software. Tap Receive button to receive the saved data. Data uploaded successfully.